Hey guys, Devil here, back again with another video. In this video, I am going to show you a demo of world's smallest water pump. As you guys can see, it is just about an inch in length, and I am running this on lithium ion 3.7 volt battery and a push switch connected to it. Okay, and if you want a detailed instruction of how to make this, please hit this video with 1000 view, and then I shall surely make a complete tutorial for making this water pump. So now let's see the demo. Okay guys, as you can see, it's working fine. If you liked this, please click on the like button, and if you want more such videos, then do subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to make many projects with this pump in future. And if you hit this video with 1000 views, I will surely make a complete tutorial for this water pump. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.